So what's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Ron. Welcome to my channel. Today we are in our Kioti RX7320. As you can see, we've got all kinds of snow that we're pushing around. So today is January 16th, 2026. And we received so far like 8 inches of snow. They called for 1 to 3. Apparently they meant 1 to 3 per hour, because we are way above and beyond that. So I mean, you can see it rolling off the blade here that there's just a lot of material moving. So in our plan here, at this very moment, is to just get things kind of opened up. So, and I'm already thinking, I'm trying to decide if I should blow this. I might. I'm gonna run it in higher RPMs though if I do. Get her up to speed here. So this stuff, I would definitely not call it light and fluffy. So it's about 24 degrees out, so it is definitely on the, heavier side. It's certainly not powder. So, like I say, if it were, 10 degrees or whatever, it would be, I think, a pretty stark difference. But it's still miles better than that. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm actually pushing material with my loader. But yeah, this is definitely a step up from the garbage I was moving. Was that last snowfall? I can't even remember anymore. Around Christmas, we had 1.5 feet, and that was like concrete. All right, there we go. That's good. So yeah, and that road's open. So I did go ahead off camera and open up my entrances. Not that I don't want to share that stuff with you all, but I don't know. Maybe you all would find that a little bit boring. You end up sometimes sitting for traffic, and then I'm as you can also imagine, I have people calling me to find out, you know, when I can get to their driveway and so on and so forth. And if you do this sort of thing, you know the drill. So I'm sure you know and are very fond of that drill. So I was kind of answering the phone on while I was doing my entrances. She's rolling pretty good. Man, we might be over 8 at this point. I just can't believe how deep this is. Now we're gonna do the 1800 RPM setup. So we had the snow slide off the roof here the other day. Boy, that was a mess. So I didn't take any video of it. But I started out trying to use the blower, but it was just too compact, and it was shaving it down, but it was slow. So I wound up using the blade, and worked honestly better than I expected. I figured I was going to have to either put the bucket on this or go pull the kubota out and use the kubota. But I really didn't. It worked out quite well. Now, I don't know. Huh. I thought it looked like my dad was going to hop in the truck and blade stuff a little bit, but I guess not. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's our video for today. If you're new here, I'd sure love to have you join me again. And so if you could hit that sub button, I would sure love that. So, and if you enjoyed my video, I'd love it if you hit the thumbs up on it. And if you'd like to watch another one of my plow videos, there's another one right here. So I'll talk to you later. See you there.